Hey friends, if you wish to use Microsoft's word count tool, then please watch this video. Now, let us say that we have a lot of text here, okay, and I wish to count the number of words. So it's very easy. First of all, I'll select the sentence that I wish to check it for, or the line or the number of words. Then at the left bottom corner, it shows the number of words and the number of words selected. Like it says 4 out of 13 words. If I click outside it, it will only show the total word count of the page. But right now, 4 out of 13 words are selected. Now, I may need more information. So I click on this option and it shows more information. The number of pages 1, number of words selected 4, the total characters with no spaces included 17, the number of character with spaces included it is 20, paragraph 0 because I didn't select a separate paragraph, and lines it's 1. So line is a different from a sentence. This can be one line and this is one sentence. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.